everyone, this is Trent with All Things Automotive. Thank you for shopping and thank you for clicking that play button. Today you're taking a closer look at our 2024 Jeep Wrangler Sahara 4xe. With just over 39,000 miles, this Jeep Wrangler is equipped with a 2-liter 4-cylinder hybrid engine. It is 4-wheel drive and it also has a clean CARFAX with 2 previous owners. In the front, you will find this Jeep well equipped with high-intensity headlights, fog lights integrated into the lower bumper with front recovery hooks. And making our way around to the wheel and tire setup, looks like we have a 20-inch alloy wheel wrapped up in a like-new tire, and we'll get into the exact tread depth here in just a moment. On the outside, you'll enjoy nice features like fixed running boards and removable doors, and a 3-piece removable Freedom hardtop. You'll also enjoy nice features like keyless entry, and looking inside, you'll be met with a black-on-black theme here with nice elements such as leather and light orange stitching, and that will continue throughout the entire interior of this Sahara. And once inside, you'll be kept comfortable by these heated front seats and premium cloth upholstery. Located in the glove box of all of our vehicles, you will find the multi-point inspection report. Here you can see all the tires range from 10 to 11 30-seconds. The brake pads are good to go. Along with everything else, it's green checked off by our technicians. And guys, we take care of the wearables here at All Things Automotive, so you don't have to shortly after purchasing a vehicle with us. Making our way to the rear of this 4xe, you will notice this vehicle is equipped with LED taillights, a matching spare tire and rear camera, and a rear recovery hook. Looking into the back cargo area, you will notice plenty of space, and those seats will fold flat on an 80-20 split if you do need the extra cargo space. A little bit of storage underneath this panel here, and you will have the plug-in for your hybrid engine right here ready to go. Making our way to the driver door, again, keyless entry. You will also have heated mirrors on both sides. Looking into the driver door, you'll have some powered options such as powered door locks and power mirror adjustments. To the left of the steering wheel, you will have a general lamp selector followed up with your brightness and dimming controller for your interior and cluster lighting. And you will also have a fuel lid release and then some different driving modes as far as hybrid, electric, and e-save. Additionally, here at All Things Automotive, you will receive 2 keys for your added convenience. And as you can see, this key fob is equipped with lock, unlock, remote start, and panic. And just to the right of the steering wheel, you will have your push button start. And upon startup, you can see just over 39,000 miles here on this hybrid Wrangler. As far as steering wheel mounted controls are concerned, you will have a selector for that center screen, and you will have the capability to pair your phone via Bluetooth and be hands-free. This Jeep Wrangler is also equipped with adaptive cruise control here. And bringing our attention to the center display and infotainment system, nice display here, landscape oriented. You will have heated seats and a heated steering wheel. You can access that all on your screen here. And as far as other audio is concerned, you will have your standard AM, FM, XM radio, Bluetooth connectivity, and as you can see, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Once I engage the rear camera, you will notice a crystal clear display with your towing and guidance lines. Down below, you'll have dual automatic climate controls here, so either side can stay comfortable. You'll also have options for your heated seats and your heated steering wheel in here if you don't wish to access that on your screen. Down below, you have all your powered windows, and looks like we have an auxiliary for alternative audio, a USB-C, a USB, and a 12-volt. You have your 4-wheel drive selections here just by your shifter here. Nice leather wrap shifter with your manual shift mode. Nice leather boot there with your white stitching. 2 cup holders, and you have an upper compartment and a lower compartment here in the center with USB outlets. And bringing our attention up top, of course, your removable top here. Moving on to our integrated garage door openers. As you can see, this particular Jeep, you can program up to 3, and then you'll have all your SOS and assist right here. So at this point, we're going to go ahead and take a look under the hood. Under the hood, you will find a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbocharged hybrid engine. As you can see, super clean. No evidence of exhaust leaks, oil leaks, or anything of that nature. No corrosion on the battery terminal. Just a little noisy, it was all, in good Jeep fashion. Our crew does a fantastic job of making these vehicles ready for the next buyer. And along with that multi-point inspection, this Jeep Wrangler has received a fresh oil change, new cabin air filter, and a fresh Pennsylvania state inspection. In the last portion of this video, this is where I'll go over any dings, dents, or imperfections you may or may not find on this Jeep Wrangler. Keeping in mind it is a pre-owned vehicle, none are perfect, but we do like to make them as clean as possible here at All Things Automotive. Starting up front here on the hood, Minimal cosmetic blemishes, maybe a few small stone chips, otherwise very nice. Your classic 7-slotted grille here is in great shape, and your headlights are nice and clear. No cracks, no condensation, no fading or discoloration here on the front bumper. And your tow hooks, you have a few paint chips on those. Other than that, very nice. Your side markers and your flares, very good shape all the way around to your wheel and tire setup. No curb rash here on those nice wheels. All your Jeep badging, really great shape. You will have some discoloration here on the top of the mirror cap here on the passenger side, but your running boards are practically brand new. Coming up here to the passenger side door handle, again, no fading or discoloration of the plastic. Looking inside, very clean, no rip stains, tears, or anything like that, even on this nice cloth piece here. Let's go ahead and take a look at the seats. I don't see any staining or discoloration. Of course, it is outside, the sun is beating down on there, so very good shape here. Even your roof is in good shape. Now, I did notice here on the hinges at your rear passenger side door, you will have some paint chips here on your hinges, and you will have PPF here on your rear flares, so that's nice. Okay, no curb rash here on your high gloss black alloy wheel. Tail lights are nice and clean, no cracks, no condensation. Let's go ahead and check out the rear bumper here, guys. No dents or things. Spare tire, great condition. All the way over to your recovery hook, very good, no paint chips. And coming up the driver's side, guys, no dents or dings in the vehicle body. No curb rash on that wheel, pretty clean, if I do say so myself. Again, you have some protective film here. Let's go ahead and look at these hinges again, some paint chips there. Driver door handle, very good shape, no fading or discoloration of the plastics. Guys, if you have any questions on this Jeep Sahara, this is the 4xe 2-liter hybrid engine, okay, turbocharged, very fuel efficient, but still has the get up and go. Give us a call at All Things Automotive, 717-485-4224, hit option 3 for sales. Additionally, you can shop online 24/7 at allthingsautomotive.com. And guys, you can even get yourself pre-approved on a vehicle like this. Super easy process, only takes about 10 minutes of your time. And make sure you ask your sales consultant about extended coverage, because this Jeep will qualify. So come on out and see us in beautiful, scenic Fulton County, 21518 Great Cove Road, McConnellsburg, Pennsylvania. Again, my name is Trent. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe.